I am my own boss. Simple. I'm not following anybody's trajectory. I'm not stepping into anybody's shoes. Can I please remind you that before His Excellency Governor Peter Obi aspired for presidency, I aspired for presidency before him. The records are there for you to see. In October 2018, I participated in the primaries of PDP, the then PDP in Port Harcourt. And I walked to Governor Peter Obi and I said, please, can I have your vote? And he smiled at me. What a gentleman he was. And then Atiku won, and he took Peter Obi as his, as we call it, running mate. So forgive me, your question is not even relevant because it does not pertain to me. I aspired to presidency before His Excellency Peter Obi. And if you heard me well in what I just submitted, I saw a rare opportunity for national unity to have elected Peter Obi in 2023. And that is why I decided to flow with it. You asked about religion. Yes, I am a Muslim, I'm a practicing Muslim, but I'm a Nigerian. And the Constitution allows me to contest. You asked about ethnicity. Yes, I am, as you say, Hausa man, but I'm a Nigerian. And Nigerian Constitution allows me to contest. I have never done anything because of ethnicity or religion. I'm doing it because Nigeria needs help. Nigeria needs people like me. Then your question about if I have decided to declare, I am a law-abiding citizen and I'm also a loyal party member until the timetable is released by INEC, until the whistle is blown, until leadership of Labour Party say those who are interested. I will not say anything about.
Thank you.
However, remember, I told you, Nigerians, we know the truth. Nigerians use the truth. If you like, continue deceiving ourselves. Nigerians, we know the truth.
All right.
Thank you very much. Security.
Okay, somebody asked if EFCC invited me. EFCC has never invited me, and it is very, very unlikely anytime soon they will. And I pray to God for his, and I thank God for his continued protection. However, there was a mild Nollywood drama between some gentlemen of DSS and myself. I think on the 28th of November 2025, it lasted just 2 hours, 15 minutes. To sum it all up, I walked into their national headquarters very curious. Like, why are you looking for me? I'm not a criminal. The criminals are in your offices. But in any case, the criminals are in your corridors of power. But anyway, here I am. Talk to me. What do you want? I came out feeling very, very sorry for Federal Republic of Nigeria. If these are what you call our leaders, then yes, I understand why United States of America will have to come and attack terrorists on behalf of Nigerian forces. I feel sorry for us if that is, but yes, an Nollywood drama played out. And they pleaded that, please, you know the government is very weak. And the way you're punching, it can crash. And I said, didn't you hear me? Did I not say I don't even want to talk about those people because the government is weak? Now listen, these are what we call paper tigers. The wind is blowing and they're scaring people. Do not be afraid. Trust in God. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourselves. And they will add up to nothing. You can rescue Nigeria. If your name is a human being will sort you out. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a human being. There are human beings in Labour Party. Among those human beings, one of them is likely to remove Bola Ahmed Tinubu as a rigged-in President, Federal Republic of Nigeria. I think the next question is for you.
Labour Party